Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and welcome to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Today we are diving into a critical subject that affects every modern city on the planet, urban sustainability and more specifically, the role that ISO 37151 plays in achieving it. Cities are expanding rapidly. Over 55% of the world's population now lives in urban areas, and this number is projected to reach nearly 70% by 2050. But growth comes with challenges: pollution, traffic, congestion, resource depletion, inequality, and climate vulnerability. Urban sustainability is no longer optional. It is a necessity for survival, and ISO 37151 provides a smart and systematic way to measure, manage, and improve the sustainability of city infrastructure. What is ISO 37151? ISO 37151 is an international standard titled Smart Community Infrastructures Performance Metrics. It outlines a framework for measuring the effectiveness, efficiency, and sustainability of community infrastructures, such as water, energy, transportation, waste management, and communication systems. But what makes ISO 37151 unique is that it provides quantifiable performance indicators that can be used to assess how smart and sustainable an infrastructure truly is. Understanding urban sustainability. Before diving deeper, let's understand what we mean by urban sustainability. It refers to the ability of a city to provide a high quality of life to its citizens without compromising environmental integrity, social equity, or economic viability, now or in the future. Sustainable urban systems include clean energy, efficient public transport, low-emission buildings, accessible green spaces, effective waste management. ISO 37151 helps assess whether these systems are working in balance. The three pillars of ISO 37151 in urban sustainability. ISO 37151 emphasizes three core pillars that are fundamental to urban sustainability. Effectiveness. How well do infrastructure support a livable, inclusive, and safe city? Efficiency. Are the resources being used in a way that maximizes impact with minimal waste? Sustainability. Are infrastructures contributing to long-term ecological balance and resilience? These pillars are translated into performance metrics, standardized measurements that cities and planners can use to guide decisions. ISO 37151 metrics that promote sustainability. ISO 37151 defines performance indicators across 6 key categories that influence sustainability. Energy metrics to assess energy efficiency, renewable integration, and grid resilience. Water measures how water supply, usage, and recycling contribute to sustainability. Transportation includes metrics for mobility access, carbon emissions, and travel time efficiency. Waste management covers the rate of recycling, disposal efficiency, and public participation. Information and communication assesses digital connectivity, smart city capabilities, and infrastructure monitoring. Disaster resilience evaluates readiness and adaptability to climate and other hazards. Each of these metrics help track progress toward urban sustainability goals. How ISO 37151 drives urban transformation. ISO 37151 doesn't just measure what exists. It influences urban transformation in the following ways: encourages data-driven planning, helps set sustainability benchmarks, promotes intersectoral integration, increases accountability and transparency, drives continuous improvement. By following ISO 37151, cities evolve from traditional urban environments into smart, adaptive, and sustainable ecosystems. Real-world application of ISO 37151. Let's look at how cities have applied ISO 37151 to improve urban sustainability. Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo used ISO 37151 indicators to redesign parts of its energy infrastructure, achieving greater energy efficiency and reduced peak consumption. Copenhagen, Denmark. Copenhagen applied the standard to track and reduce carbon emissions in transportation systems, supporting its goal for becoming carbon neutral by 2025. Singapore. Singapore integrated ISO 37151 in water management and waste recycling, enhancing resource conservation and environmental performance. These examples show how ISO 37151 can lead to measurable sustainability results. ISO 37151 and the UN Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). ISO 37151 directly supports several UN Sustainable Development Goals, such as Goal 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, Goal 6, Clean Water and Sanitation, Goal 7, Affordable and Clean Energy, Goal 13, Climate Action. By aligning performance metrics with global sustainability goals, ISO 37151 acts as a bridge between local infrastructure planning and global development priorities. Integrating ISO 37151 into urban planning. For ISO 37151 to be truly effective, it must be integrated into city-level planning and decision-making processes. Here is how. Step 1. Baseline assessment use. ISO 37151 to evaluate current infrastructure conditions and sustainability gaps. Step 2. Set performance targets. Define goals in terms of key performance indicators. Step 3. Implement projects. Develop infrastructure that meets the required standards. Step 4. Monitor and improve. Continuously monitor progress and adjust strategies based on result. Benefits of ISO 37151 in urban sustainability. Let's summarize the benefits of applying ISO 37151 in urban sustainability. Encourages a smarter use of natural and financial resources, supports inclusive urban development, reduces environmental degradation, strengthens infrastructure resilience, enhances citizen well-being, attracts green investment and innovation. When applied correctly, ISO 37151 transforms urban planning from reactive to strategic and sustainable. Challenges in implementation. Of course, no standard comes without challenges. Some hurdles in adopting ISO 37151 include data availability. Many cities lack the digital infrastructure to collect accurate data. Training needs. Stakeholders require education on performance metrics. Customization. Indicators must be adapted to local context without losing their integrity. Cost factors. Initial investment may seem high, though long-term benefits outweigh them. However, with proper planning, these challenges can be addressed effectively. ISO 37151 versus traditional urban metrics. Traditional urban planning metrics often focus on input-output models. How many buses are added, how many liters of water are treated. ISO 37151 shifts the focus to impact and performance, how accessible, sustainable, or resilient those services are. This change in mindset is key to true urban sustainability. ISO 37151 and smart cities. As cities adopt AI and big data, ISO 37151 provides the guiding metrics to ensure these technologies are applied for the public good. A smart city without sustainability is just a tech-centric city. ISO 37151 ensures that smart and sustainable go hand in hand. Building cities that last. In conclusion, we can say that ISO 37151 is more than just a checklist. It is a strategic tool for building cities that are smart, resilient, inclusive, sustainable. As we move forward, cities that adopt ISO 37151 will lead the way in achieving balance between development and responsibility. Thank you for watching this in-depth session. For more lectures on ISO standards and urban innovation, don't forget to subscribe to TNV Academy and hit the notification bell. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.